Yes, we are dropping this name from now because she is a director and she's a good director. So please give her another round of applause. 我哋想知道點解會有呢一個故事？
首先我想講就係我都喺大家身上面學到好多嘢啦，因為已經好大壓力，即係我覺得喺呢個 project 係好多人幫我啦，所以即係呢個 project 之所以如果係好睇，都係因為大家都係我嘅老師。
Oh, she is also very intelligent. She said that she's not the only one that worked on this project. She learns a lot from everyone around her, and there are a lot of teachers teaching her, and which is why we have this good film.
係啦，咁而家我就即係分享下點解會想拍呢套戲啦。咁的確咧，我想拍呢套戲嘅原因係真係好簡單。本身呢個係我一個大學嘅功課嚟嘅，但係咧我喺寫呢個劇本之前未諗到寫啲咩好。有一次就好 random 咁同我媽傾偈。咁我就問佢你人生意義係啲乜嘢咧？咁樣跟住佢就同我講，其實冇乜意義。如果你哋翻屋企食飯咧，就係我嘅人生意義啦。跟住我嗰陣時聽到嘅時候就係有啲複雜嘅心情，因為即係我覺得佢好錫我啦，但係我就覺得其實佢可能成世人都真係就係圍住我去轉啊，即係佢就好似冇乜自己嘅嘢想做咁樣。於是嗰陣時我就好想鼓勵佢去學鋼琴，因為佢細個嘅夢想就係學鋼琴。但係嗰陣時佢就即刻好卻步，就話唔好啦，我已經太老啦，啲人會笑我咁樣。跟住我覺得其實佢應該仲有好多時間可以做自己想做嘅事嘅，所以我就決定要寫呢個故仔俾佢，我就想話俾你聽，其實佢咩年紀都可以做自己想做嘅事。
Okay, so if you saw the ending of the film, it says that the director dedicated this film to the mom because so I asked why she wrote this story. So this started off as a project for her university. So and she didn't really know what to write, so she went home and had a conversation with her mom, and she asked her mom what her goal was, and her mom said she doesn't really have a goal. Ultimately, she just wants her family, our director, to just go home and eat her meal. So that's a very, very simple goal. So she felt a bit disturbed by that fact that her mom's world revolves around whatever that's happening around them, and she does not have her own goal. So that kick-started the idea, and also she encouraged her mom to pick up piano from there because her mommy 係咪一直都想學？
應該係佢細個嘅時候就好想學。It was her childhood dream.
It was a childhood dream to pick up piano.
Yes.
But the mom said she's too old to pick up piano, and she will be teased. So 咁媽咪最後有冇學到啊？Did your mom learn piano?
Yes， 我喺寫呢個劇本嘅時候 ，at the same time I just 直接就幫佢報咗啦。
So she registered her mom for a piano lesson, and her mom ran for the class. Woohoo! Yay to auntie！ 係啦，咁我覺得呢個好重要嘅。It is very important because no matter at what age you are, because my parents 咧，即係我爹哋媽咪都係咁嘅，即係叫佢哋去散步。Oh, just take a walk. I'm too old. Go to the gym. I'm too old. 所以if you care about them，我覺得呢一個係好重要 ，and you make that move， 即係你幫佢哋做咗呢樣嘢，呢一個先係最重要。再一次俾啲掌聲我哋嘅好多，我細細個睇你做戲啦，我等講呢個好耐。Catherine is a very, very famous actress, and I've seen her work since I was a child. So 咁我正話問到嘉怡嘅時候，佢就話你整傷咗條腰。咁I've read reports that Catherine injured herself following this as well. 咁你骨折啊嘛？
我係呢度啊，呢度係 rib cage。我之前係啊，整咗有少少裂咗。即係你因為用力嘅時候扯裂咗。
咁係啱學嘅時候就
係啱開始冇幾耐就咁。
So at the start of the film, she's really injured herself, and 你係不停咁撐住落去啦，係嘛？
唔係中間好好嘅，佢哋都褪咗啲期俾我啦，咁我都休養咗一陣，咁但係都未 fully recover， 咁就要繼續都繼續。但係我哋將我哋拍跳舞嘅部分擺到去成個戲最後先拍。咁但係
都多嘅喎，
都 OK 嘅，但係因為練嘅過程會好大壓力咯，因為得翻好短時間。
之前係冇學過嘅，
完全冇學過。用咗
幾耐時間先至話可以開始去拍啦咁樣，即係有信心去拍。
3個月咯。
3 months to half years. Yeah.
3 months to half a year. So Catherine has never done pole dancing, and 3 to 6 months after she picked up this art.She went on set and she filmed that, which is fantastic, ladies and gentlemen, because that was absolutely beautiful. 第一場咧，即係你表演嗰場咧，我睇嘅時候，我會覺得話哇，真係我個 best friend 都係學 pole dancing， 佢第一個 performance 咧，我係好尷尬，我排前呵。My best friend picked up pole dancing and her first performance I was in front row， 佢係嘭聲啊，個 pole 係俾佢虐待嘅，she was abusing the pole. That was my best friend. So when I saw Catherine doing it, I was very very surprised， 因為真係好靚，好 graceful 成個咁，所以再俾啲人覺得用咗即係用咗好大嘅努力咯。咁但係呢一部電影對你嚟講，除咗係 pole dancing 最大嘅挑戰係啲乜嘢？
我諗係佢同其他嘅電影有一度唔同嘅，我覺得有少少，因為喺個 character 嘅角色出發嚟講咧，我覺得佢其實係幾貼近而家，即係幾落地啦，我哋叫幾現實嘅。因為其實好多時咧，譬如一個電影咧，佢可能好即係好我哋叫好 drama 啦，就會有好多可能嗰個角色會有好多 intention 啊，或者佢會想有一個 big change 啊。咁但係呢一個戲咧，我覺得佢係好似我哋人生咁嘅，即係我哋好多好 major change 咧係好自然會發生嘅，即係又或者係喺你不知不覺嘅底下會自然。唔知點解你就覺得我應該係一個 rediscovery of 我自己啦。咁我覺得呢一個角色其實佢就有呢一樣嘢喺度，所以我諗我喺我演嘅過程裏面，即係我會 remind 自己咯，即係成日 remind 自己係我要係即係喺一個被動啲嘅狀態出發，同埋我喺即係拍呢個戲我都有問導演啦，問監製啦。咁佢哋講得好清楚一樣嘢就係、呢個媽媽就好簡單㗎啦，佢就係從來都唔會諗自己咯，佢就係只不過就係好後生就結咗婚，跟住就嫁咗俾老公照顧屋企，想做一個好媽媽，佢就係簡單到咁樣，然後佢就乜嘢都冇㗎。咁我就覺得即係當我去諗，我就要代入去呢個 mental state 啦，咁我就可以去。知道多啲究竟佢係點咧？咁我發現原來係咁樣嘅一個 character 又好得意咯。
The most challenging thing about this character is that it's actually a very simple character. There is nothing much dramatic going on, and so it's not very easy to portray to the audience because many films that are challenging right now have characters that have a major flip of events and you can see the character change. But we all agree that the changes in this film that Catherine portrayed is very very subtle. 即係你諗翻由前面第一場到最後一場，其實媽咪嘅轉變係好大，但係其實你真係唔會留意睇佢幾時轉，係因為真係過程。Yeah, you don't really feel the character changing, but if you think back on the film, the first scene and the last scene. Catherine is very very different. It is a very pessimistic character, but emotionally the change is very very big. So I feel like she did a really good job. So another round of applause for Catherine. And that was the biggest challenge. But I also read